Are you behind on your retirement savings? Or worse yet, do you have zero saved for retirement? Today, I'm sharing with you how you can start your investing journey with only $100. I'm DG, Dakota Grady, the money coach, and I'm all about helping you to master your finances. Let's jump into the conversation. If you don't have any retirement savings, drop it in the chat below. And in fact, if you are tired of making mistakes with your finances, you're tired of worrying and stressed out, I got a resource for you that can help you to overcome those mistakes. Drop it in the comments, mistakes, and I'll send it to you. How do you start investing? Well, I'm going to challenge you on how to invest, but let's start with this one. First thing you need to do is assess where you are right now. All right, you either have some retirement or you are behind or you haven't started, right? Whatever the case may be, why are you there? What decision did you make that have you there in terms of not investing? Did you not learn how to invest? Do you not know what investing is? Did you start investing then you stop for a certain period of time? Or are you just afraid to invest? What's keeping you stuck, in other words, when it comes to investing? I got a resource for you. In fact, one that can help you understand investing is Investopedia.com. Check out the resource so you can understand what investing is so you can get knowledgeable, reduce the fear, and have confidence to move forward, right? So whatever decision you made is holding you back from investing, assess it. Analyze it and say, all right, how can I move forward beyond this situation to start moving forward in terms of investing? Number 2 is to set an investment goal. So now you understand what investing is, what kind of investments are out there. Now you're ready to say, all right, what do I want to have saved for my retirement? I may be behind, or I have nothing saved at all. Or maybe I have some saved, but how do I get to my goal? So you want to save $100,000 for your retirement, right? How do you get there? What do you need to invest? How much do you need to invest for how long? And maybe about 10, 20, 15 years, see how much time you have left to invest, and then do number 3. This is the challenge for you. I want you to start investing $100. Into what, Dakota? Great question. I recommend opening up a Roth IRA, an individual retirement account. It's basically saying that it's an account that the government allows you to invest so that you can grow your retirement, right? So what you do is you invest money after taxes. So for example, you get paid from your job or your business and you take taxes out. Let's say from your job. Take taxes out, bring home the money. Say you bring home $4,000, right? And you want to invest $100. So the money that you have earned already has been taxed. So when you put the money into the Roth IRA and the account grows over time, when you take the money out in retirement, you don't pay taxes on it because it's already been taxed with the money that you put in, right? $100 initial investment that you put into it was taxed because it was after tax money. All right, now with the Roth IRA, you can invest up to $7,000 as of this year. And if you're older, actually age 50 or older, you can invest an additional $8,000. So a total $8,000, so an additional $1,000. So put that money into the account, let it grow. Now, if you take it out before your age 59 and a half, you'll pay penalties on that because the IRS wants you to put the money in the account and leave it alone because they don't want you to be struggling when you get your retirement. They want you to invest the money, let it grow so that you don't want to have to rely on the government. And it makes perfect sense. So leave it in the account, let it grow, keep putting money into it, keep contributing to it, and let it grow. Let it grow to the number that you want to grow to. The 4th one is a bonus. Now that you assess your situation, you know what goals you have, you know what a Roth IRA is, I would encourage you to find an advisor to help you navigate the investing waters because you're going to have challenges when the stock market goes down. You want to maybe take the money out because of fear in your mind. And it's all a mindset thing. It's all like my mind game when it comes to investing. But get someone who can guide you through the process to help you stay focused on the goal, which is number 2, reaching your retirement number. Get someone to help you to stay focused, get clarity, and continue to invest over time so that you can create a better financial future for you, even your family. I hope this episode was helpful to you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all for joining us.